Russia's aggressive military actions continue to dominate the geopolitical landscape as it launched 130 drones in a Christmas night attack on Ukraine, resulting in at least 2 deaths. This escalation underscores the persistent conflict and the challenges faced by US and European peace efforts, which have yet to yield significant progress. The ongoing tensions are not only a humanitarian concern, but also a catalyst for increased defense spending and technological advancements in military capabilities. The revised US-Ukrainian peace plan, which offers security guarantees for Kyiv, is likely to face rejection from Russia. The plan contrasts sharply with Russia's demands for Ukraine's surrender, highlighting the deep-seated divisions and the complexities involved in achieving a diplomatic resolution. This geopolitical tension continues to influence global defense strategies and market dynamics as nations reassess their security postures. In a significant technological breakthrough, China's National University of Defense Technology has set a new global benchmark by accelerating a maglev vehicle to 700 kilometers per hour in under 2 seconds. This achievement not only showcases China's advancements in high-speed transportation, but also hints at potential military applications, which could redefine future warfare dynamics. Such developments are closely watched by defense analysts and investors alike, as they could impact global military balances. Turning to the markets, AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, is experiencing a notable boost due to a potential FCC ban on foreign-made drones and a new $4.8 million Coast Guard contract. Despite a slight dip of 0.17% to $260.70, the company's strong contract momentum positions it well in the domestic drone market. The FCC's potential ban could further enhance AeroVironment's market share, as demand for U.S.-manufactured drones is expected to rise. Huntington Ingalls Industries, ticker symbol HII, has secured a new U.S. Navy contract for a small surface combatant fleet, sending its stock up by 0.26% to $355.45. This contract not only boosts the company's visibility, but also emphasizes its role in developing unmanned surface vessels. As the Navy continues to modernize its fleet, Huntington Ingalls is well-positioned to capitalize on these opportunities, reinforcing its strategic importance in naval defense. Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw a marginal increase of 0.02% to $194.17, driven by ongoing geopolitical tensions. The company's data analytics capabilities are increasingly in demand as nations seek to enhance their intelligence and defense operations. Palantir's ability to provide actionable insights in complex environments makes it a valuable asset in the defense sector, particularly as global tensions persist. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, experienced a 60% rise to $137.94, benefiting from the overall demand in the defense sector. As a leading provider of electronic and fiber optic connectors, Amphenol is poised to gain from increased defense budgets and technological upgrades. The company's products are integral to modern defense systems, ensuring robust communication and operational efficiency. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, faced a decline of 2.83% to $79.97, reflecting volatility in the defense sector. Despite this setback, Kratos remains a key player in the development of unmanned systems and satellite communications. The current market fluctuations present both challenges and opportunities for Kratos as it navigates the evolving defense landscape. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. AeroVironment could benefit from FCC's potential drone import ban. 2. Monitor Huntington Ingalls for gains from new Navy contracts. 3. Watch Palantir amid rising demand for defense analytics.